Guys, good morning. I trust everyone is okay. So today's recipe, I'm going to make a fried rice, vegetable fried rice. So guys, these are my ingredients I have for today. Yeah, I have onion, I have green pepper, I have kuzbala, and I'm having green peas. What else should I add on to? I think I'll add garlic. Yeah, I forgot to bring garlic, but I'll add garlic. So it is a Thai fried rice. Let me show you. I have my boiling rice here. Yes, my rice is boiling, and my chicken is ready. Yeah, see, this is my chicken. So let's dive into it. I have grated the garlic and I added some oil. So I'm going to mix it. Then after I'll bring my onions, my kuzbala and my green pepper, and I mix all together. If you have carrots, you can also include carrots. But right now I don't have carrots. Okay. I have added the green pepper, then I'm going to add the kuzbala in our mixture, in our onions, and then after I'll add the green peas. Our green peas and I'll mix. Stirring up love in the pot, simmering feelings getting hot. A pinch of you attached to me. This recipe's our destiny. Guys, our last step is we mixed our white rice into the chicken and the vegetables, and this is how it looks. So thank you for watching. Yeah, I will test it for you guys and I will tell you how it is tasting. Every taste feels like a ride, whisking dreams in the silver bowl. Your laughter fills my hungry soul. Stirring up love in the pot, simmering feelings getting hot. A pinch of you, a dash of me. This recipe's our destiny. So fine, every move a rhythm divine. We saute life with a fiery flame. Cooking up love never feels the same. Stirring up love in the pot, simmering feelings getting hot. A pinch of you, a dash of me. This recipe is our destiny.